Welcome back to Auto Explorer, your go-to destination for deep dives into the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Suzuki APV, focusing solely on its exterior design, performance use, and what makes this model stand out in its segment. The Suzuki APV, short for All-Purpose Vehicle, has been a staple in Suzuki's lineup since the early 2000s, designed primarily for markets in Asia and Africa. It built a reputation as a practical, rugged, and affordable MPV, especially favored by small business owners and large families alike. Now in 2025, the APV gets a refreshed look that keeps its boxy identity but adds sharper, more modern styling elements. Starting at the front, the most noticeable change is the redesigned grille, which now features a bolder, more angular mesh pattern framed by a thicker chrome outline. The Suzuki badge is now more prominent, positioned centrally to enhance brand visibility. The headlights have been upgraded to sleeker, more aggressive units, featuring projector LEDs in higher trims for improved nighttime visibility. Below that, the front bumper is slightly resculpted, with integrated fog lamps set in black housing for a sportier appeal. Moving to the side profile, the APV continues its high roof and flat side design, which isn't just about looks, but maximizes interior headroom and cargo flexibility. It rides on newly designed 15-inch alloy wheels in the top-end variants, with a more aerodynamic multi-spoke layout that adds a bit of flair. Body-colored door handles and ORVMs with integrated turn indicators now come standard on most trims. A prominent shoulder line runs across the body, giving it a sense of length and subtle sophistication. At the rear, Suzuki has opted for a cleaner, more minimal design, with vertical tail lamps that now include LED elements for better visibility and a modern touch. The rear bumper features a built-in step to ease access to the cargo area, which is a thoughtful addition for commercial use. A roof-mounted spoiler adds a slight sporty accent, without compromising the utilitarian vibe of the APV. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki APV doesn't try to be flashy, but its exterior updates give it a more refined and contemporary stance. It's a vehicle that proudly wears its purpose-driven design, with enhancements that meet the needs of both urban and rural drivers. Stay tuned with Auto Explorer for more in-depth reviews and breakdowns of your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.